DRE Wright, WRIGHT, Assistant Chief of Police of Patrol Services South. Is everybody ready?
Yes.
Okay. I'm here to discuss the two shootings at two different locations that happened here today within the 6th District. The first one is at 3300 D Street Southeast. Inside of the location, MPD received a call for a shooting. Upon arriving on the scene, we located two adult males inside of the residence. Unfortunately, they were later pronounced. MPD, with the help of community and some great police work, we were able to shortly thereafter locate a person of interest who we have stopped now. That case is progressing. About an hour and a half later, here at this location, 3:45 p.m., we received a call for a shooting. Upon arriving on this scene, unfortunately, we found another two adult males located, and unfortunately, they've been pronounced as well. We have no reason to believe that the two events are connected, as we believe the first event, the suspects and the decedents were known to each other in the first case, and we believe that this particular event is targeted in that the two individuals were standing out in front of the courtyard. And so that's where we have right now. We're asking for anyone who has any information to any of these two events to call us at 202-727-9099, or they can text us at 50411. I'll take any questions that you have relative to these two events.
Chief, just to clarify, so on D Street you have a person of interest. Is
Yes.
it fair to say that's the suspect?
Right now, because we're talking to them and the case is progressing, I feel very comfortable calling them a person of interest. And as the case progresses, we'll give updates to the community. But like I said, that was an isolated event. The suspect and the decedents were known to each other. It was an inside scene, and as I said, from great police work from community partners and intelligence-led policing, we were able to very quickly apprehend right now who we're calling a person of interest.
And for the scene behind you, do you have persons of interest as well, or we are looking for a suspect?
Right now, we're looking. That's what we really need. Folks in the community that may know anything to give us a call at 202-727-9099, or they can text tip us at 50411. We are obviously talking to all of the community residents door to door, trying to glean any information. Obviously, we're following up with cameras as well. And as soon as we can get any images, we'll put them out to you all as soon as we possibly can.
There was a mention of a blue SUV initially. Is that still part of this investigation behind you?
We're still vetting that. We do have that information. We heard the same thing. We're still vetting that. There are cameras within this corridor, and so before we put that out, we want to firm that up to make sure that we're giving out correct information.
For the first scene, D Street, we're hearing, I don't know if you could clarify this, there was some kind of dispute between the victims and the suspect with the person of interest you have. Could you confirm that, you said they were known to each other, but was there some kind of dispute over, we're hearing like money or rent or something like that?
Because it is a homicide, and it is bearing fruit at this point. I don't want to get into the particulars, but suffice it to say, we do have a person of interest stopped, and we are hopeful that we should be able to bring this case to closure.
Any weapons recovered at any of the scenes that you could mention?
There's no weapon recovered from this scene. There was a weapon recovered from the D Street scene, and so obviously we'll be working on ballistics and relative to that.
The Sunday afternoon, here you have two separate scenes, one district, two men dead at each scene. You're out here right now speaking with us. I mean, what's going on through your head right now?
I think that, first of all, number one, our thoughts and prayers go out to the family of those who've lost these adult men here today. And as I've said several times, and Chief Conti said several times, that this must not stand. This is a great city, a great district, and we're not about to turn over our freedoms or our safety or the safety of our loved ones that we love over to a few bad actors that think that they can just do what they want to. That's not going to happen. And so what I would encourage this particular community in this district in the greater city is to make sure that we continue to have the resolve that we've always had, and that together, as you can see from the first scene, working together, we were able to produce immediate fruit. And my hope is that in this scene we'll be able to do the same thing. All right? All right, thank you, everybody.